Okay, Week10 codeboxx, so the mobile app and the TDD, test-driven development. Let's start in the code with the app. So here I have a app navigator. It's like the root in Ruby on Rails. So I have 3 root, one for the login, one for the main page, and for the elevator. So start with the login. So here the view is very simple, only an image, an input text, and a button. So when you enter text, it store the value of the text in a variable in the state here, employee, and I send this value to the database with a fetch. So with my API here, so it return true or false depending if the email is in the database or not. So if the email is not in the database, the in or out will be false, so it will pop up an alert like that. And if you enter a correct email, it let you go in. So it redirects to the main page, the home page. So here in the home page, first thing I fetch all elevators that are inactive, and I store this data in the state again to use it after in a picker to display this data in the picker. So here it's like a dot map that set here will show you display all the elevator here. So and it store the value of the item value. So here the ID in a picker value holder. So this value is needed for the next page. So here on press of the button, I have a navigator that navigates to the elevator page, and I bring with me the ID. So jump here. So we select OK. Bring the ID to fetch. Here I fetch with the ID the good elevator, and I use this elevator to display the information in the view. So here, and I have a function what color to display the red or green for the status here. So if it's true, it's inactive, and it's in display offline style, and if it's active, it display online. Little thing here, this function launch on the loading page, but it's async, so the render is done first. And so I added here an if else. So when the state is loading, it's display an activity indicator, a loading screen, and after it's complete, it display the page. Here you can set the status to active, status change to active, and it's green. You can go back and log out. After that, here for the TDD. So in the TDD, I tested a lot of things for the streamer. The streamer, I have a function get content that fetch the content of web page, Meteo Media. I have also a function that fetch coordinate with geocoder. This is used to fetch the weather. Here the address is used, and I have Spotify too. So here's my thing for the testing. I have a lot. I have also some tests for the quote controller and the Google Map controller, and for the model lead too, some tests. So to run the tests, you need to write a respec. It's a little bit long. I don't know why. Oh, okay. Okay, so it's all. Thank you for the correction.